इसी के साथ मैं इजाज़त चाहता हूं और माइक हैंड ओवर करता हूं परवेज सर के।
चलिए, सो once again assalamu alaikum, good evening everyone. This is Parvez Khan, your host for this session. In this session we are going to honor our sponsors. हमारे जो sponsors है, हमारे जो supporters है, without their support it was not possible to reach this milestone. Obviously our team member Minds in Mission Foundation and their team members, they have contributed a lot, they worked a lot, but somewhere the sponsors, those who have contributed for making it possible, we thank them from our bottom of heart. So we have many names. I would call their names one by one. So I request all the sponsors, power sponsors, co-sponsors, associations, collaborators, activity partners, executive committee members, our science fair committee members, MTSC committee members, storytelling committee members, administration members, and the students, those who participated in science fair. Please be ready, be near to the stage, because I am going to call your names one by one, and I hope you all will appear on the stage as possible, as quickly. And now we go ahead and first of all we'll start with our title sponsor, which is not new for you. We all are aware of our title sponsor, MGM University. So I request all the members of MGM University to come on the stage, and I will call their names one by one, and you just keep clapping for them, because whatever you see here, it was not possible before without MGM University's contribution. So I would call the names of the members of MGM University representatives, and they will come on stage and we will honor them with mementos. So I request Umair Ansari Saab, Amir Siddiqui Saab, Anita Fulware ma'am, Sayyid Rahimuddin Sahab, Dr. Aswad Gawar sir. So I request all the representatives of MGM University, and I request our guest to honor our title sponsors, their team members, with a memento. So I request dignitaries to present the mementos and honor the members of MGM University. Mr. Umair Ansari. MGM University, we all are aware of MGM University, such a huge campus in the city, and MGM University is not present in Aurangabad, but so MGM University is not new for us, and we have experienced the growth of the premises. MGM University, once it was a college, now it is a university. So it's a great privilege for the people of Marathwada to get benefit from MGM University, where every subject you will find. So once again I call the name of representatives of MGM University, Mr. Umair Ansari, Amir Siddiqui, Anita Fulware ma'am, Sayyid Rahimuddin Sahab, Dr. Aswad Gawar ma'am. So these are the representatives of MGM University. I request our dignitaries to present the memento to the representative. So Dr. Mazhar Farooqi sir is presenting a memento to the representative of MGM University. Yes, I request the representatives of MGM University, please be on the stage, because we are going to present you the mementos individually. So I request our volunteer to present Mr. Umair Ansari. Please honor Umair Ansari with a memento. And I request our guest, our director, our guest to be present there. Yes, so Basi Siddiqui sir, please present the memento to Umair Ansari. Please keep clapping for Umair Ansari sahab. He is the representative of MGM University, and he took the effort to make it possible to have this sponsor title. Next, I request Amir Siddiqui sahab, Amir Siddiqui. And I request Irfan Saudagar Sahab to present the memento to Amir Siddiqui sir is not there, but still we appreciate his efforts. Next, I request Anita ma'am. And I request Irfan Saudagar sir, Anita ma'am, she is not there, but still we appreciate her efforts and the contribution. Next, I request Sayyid Rahimuddin. Sayyid Rahimuddin, and I request Irfan Saudagar sir to honor Sayyid Rahimuddin, the representative of MGM University. Thank you so much, sir, for your contribution and the efforts. Now, next, I request Dr. Aswad Gohar ma'am, and I request Noman Saudagar sir to honor Aswad Gohar ma'am with a memento for her efforts and her university, MGM University. Now, we'll go to the next, our powered by sponsor. Powered by sponsor was Al Jamia Mohammadiyya University, Mansoura campus, Malegaon. Please put your hands together to appreciate and to encourage the campus to participate in such events in future also. I request Mustafa Farooqi Sahab to honor the Al Jamia Mohammadiyya University, Mansoura campus, Malegaon for their contribution for this Education Expo 2024, and it was the powered by sponsor. Please keep clap your this honor. Please clap for them. So he is from Al Jamia Mohammadiyya University, Mansoura campus, Malegaon. We thank you, sir, and we appreciate and encourage for your support and contribution. Now I will call the names of representatives of Al Jamia Mohammadiyya University, Mansoura campus, Malegaon. First of all, I'll call Mr. Faizan Ahmed. Mr. Faizan Ahmed, and I request Basis Siddiqui Sahab to present the memento to Mr. Faizan Ahmed. Please clap for these people. Believe me, whatever we are doing here, whatever you are experiencing here, it was not possible without these people's contribution. Next, I would like to call Professor Ismail Ansari. I request Professor Ismail Ansari to come on stage, and I request Basis Siddiqui Sahab to honor Ismail Ansari Sahab. He is also from Al Jamia Mohammadiyya University, Mansoura campus, Malegaon. The next we have Dr. Sajid Naeem sir. Dr. Sajid Naeem, he is also from Al Jamia Mohammadiyya University, Mansoura campus, Malegaon, and I request Irfan Saudagar sir to honor Dr. Sajid Naeem Sahab with a memento. Keep clapping for them, please. Please appreciate them. Please encourage them so that we can have support from other campuses also. Next we have Professor Momin Shahbaz. Professor Momin Shahbaz, I request you to come on stage, and I request the Director of Minds in Motion Foundation, Basis Siddiqui, to present the memento to Momin Shahbaz. Next we have Professor Zia Tanzil. I request Afroz Khan. I request Afroz Khan, the member of Minds in Motion Foundation, to present the memento to Professor Zia Tanzil. Zia Tanzil, Professor Zia Tanzil is also from Al Jamia Mohammadiyya University, Mansoura campus, Malegaon. Next we have Professor Parvez Sheikh from the same campus, Professor Parvez Sheikh, and I request Hafiz Suleiman Shaheen to present the memento to Professor Parvez Sheikh. I request Noman Khan to present the memento as an honor to Professor Fahad Bilal from Al Jamia Mohammadiyya University, Mansoura campus, Malegaon. Thank you so much everyone for your contribution, for your support. Now we'll have a group photo of the team of Al Jamia Mohammadiyya University, Mansoura campus, Malegaon. Once again, please put your hands together to appreciate this team. They are here all the way from Malegaon. देखिए औरंगाबाद में औरंगाबाद का स्पॉन्सर हो ठीक है, मालेगांव से आकर इन्होंने अपनी जो मेहनतें, जो कोशिशें यहाँ पे हमारे साथ सर्व की है, रियली अप्रिशिएबल. Now we'll move toward co-sponsors. And in co-sponsors, we have three names. I would like to call the representative of Al-Falah International School. Please come on stage. And I request Basis Siddiqui to present a memento to Al-Falah International School as a co-sponsor of Education Expo 2024. Sohail sir is on the stage, so I request Basis Siddiqui Sahab to present a memento to Sohail sir. He is from Al-Falah International School. Thank you so much, sir, for your support, for your encouragement. Because of your support, we were able to make it possible. Next, I would like to request Ashfaq Khan Sahab from Deluxe Bakery. Ashfaq Khan Sahab, if he is not there. So, we appreciate, we encourage the contribution of Deluxe Bakery also. Next, I would like to call Akbar Khadri sir from Supreme Global School. Akbar Khadri sir. Please clap for Akbar Khadri sir from Supreme Global School, who is the co-sponsor. And I request Basis Siddiqui Sahab to honor Akbar sir. He represents Global School, Supreme Global School. For organizing this Aurangabad Education Expo 2024, we had some associations. So I will call the names of the association, and the top of the list is Dr. A.A. Khadri's Mental Health Center. If any representative is available from Dr. A.A. Khadri's Mental Health Center, Aurangabad, please come on stage and receive the memento. Next we have Burhani National Education Society, Aurangabad. So I request Abrar sir, Dr. Abrar sir, CEO of Burhani National Education Society, Aurangabad. And the kids, I can see their excitement and the happiness to welcome their sir. Please join them, please join the children to welcome the CEO. I request Advocate Faiz Sayyid Sahab to present the memento to Burhani National Education Society's Dr. Abrar sir. Congratulations, Burhani National Education Society, Aurangabad. Congratulations, Dr. Abrar sir. Congratulations, all the kids, for your participation, for your contribution. Thank you. Thanks again. I request the representative of Al Irfan Residential School, Khuldabad, to receive a memento of honor. I request Mustafa Farooqi Sahab to receive the memento on behalf of Al Irfan Residential School, Khuldabad. And I request Basis Siddiqui Sahab to present the memento to Al Irfan Residential School, Khuldabad. We are aware of the school, one of its kind in the region, Al Irfan Residential School. We thank you for your contribution in organizing this event. Next we have Service on Demand. Service on Demand. Dr. Mazhar Farooqi sir to present the memento to the team of Service on Demand. We thank you for your contribution for making this event successful. Team Service on Demand is on stage, and Dr. Mazhar Farooqi sir is presenting a memento of honor for their contribution and support. To come on stage, and I request Afroz Khan and Adil Aziz Sahab to present the memento to Mr. Jamil Sani, the Sani Group. Jamil bhai, please come on stage, and I request Afroz Khan and Adil Aziz to present the memento of honor, and we thank Sani Group for their contribution and support for making this event successful. Please put your hands together. Please clap for them. Please appreciate and encourage. These are the people behind the curtain who made it possible. Those who constantly supported us. Sani Group of hotels, Sani Group of tour services. Thank you so much, Jamil Sani Sahab, for your contribution. Aurangabad Education Expo made collaborations with some of the prominent institutions and the agencies in city which supported us constantly, and the name in the list, the tops, Aurangabad Municipal Corporation. I request Noman sir from Aurangabad Municipal Corporation to come on stage. Noman sir, and I request Basit Siddiqui Sahab to present a memento of honor to Aurangabad Municipal Corporation's representative Noman Khan sir. Please put your hands together for Aurangabad Municipal Corporation. Corporation supported us in many ways. The corporation was there always for us. Thank you, Noman sir. Thank you for your support. I request the representative of Urdu Karwa, Nafisa ma'am and Rashida ma'am to come on stage and join Irfan Saudagar sir. And I request Mustafa Farooqi Sahab to present a memento of honor to the members of Urdu Karwa. And I request Sohail sir to present the memento to Nadeem Khan, a member of Mission Talent Hub. Sohail sir, please present the memento of honor to Mission Talent Hub. And we appreciate and thank Mission Talent Hub for contributing to this event. Safar Khan sir of Roots and Wings Academy, one of the collaborator for this Aurangabad Education Expo 2024. Safar Khan sir, the director of Roots and Wings Academy. Put your hands together to welcome Safar Khan sir. Safar Khan sir, he is the director of Roots and Wings Academy. Roots and Wings Academy, one of the its kind school. So I request Mufti Ashfaq Khazi Sahab to present the memento of honor to Roots and Wings Academy, Safar Khan sir. We thank you, Safar Khan sir and his Roots and Wings Academy for constantly contributing, supporting and making this event even better and successful. Thank you so much sir. I request the members of Warsane Harf Qalam to come on stage. Warsane Harf Qalam. Thank you so much for your contribution. Next, Kausar Hayat ma'am. Khwaja Kausar Hayat ma'am, please join Jamil sir for receiving Ilyas Khan Falahi Sahab. I request Ilyas Khan Falahi Sahab to present the memento of honor to the representative of Warsane Harf Qalam. Please clap for them. Warsane Harf Qalam, Jamil sir and Kausar Hayat ma'am. Next we have, so I think SIO members, they are engaged in making the discipline in the ground. All their members are engaged in the services. We appreciate their efforts and their spirit of work that they are busy in the ground. So we thank them, SIO, for support. Next, we have Safa Baitul Mal. Safa Baitul Mal. Mufti Anis Sahab, I request Mufti Anis Sahab to present the memento of honor to Safa Baitul Mal, Aurangabad. Ziauddin Siddiqui Sahab, I request you to present the memento of honor to the representative of Safa Baitul Mal. Safa Baitul Mal is a non-government organization which is always there for the needy people. We have experienced, we have observed their contribution to the society, especially underprivileged people, those who need financial support. Safa Baitul Mal is always there. Thank you so much for your contribution. All India Payame Insaniyat Forum के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव से मैं दरख्वास्त करूंगा कि वो स्टेज पर आए और मैं दरख्वास्त करूंगा जियाउद्दीन सिद्दीकी साहब से कि वो मेमेंटो पेश करें. We thank All India Payame Insaniyat Forum for their contribution in Education Expo 2024. Aurangabadi Musafir, and I request Mudassir Saab. I request Mudassir Nadeem to come on stage, and I request Nahid Baji to present the memento of honor to Mudassir Nadeem. He has done a great job. He has presented Aurangabad in a different angle. अगर आप इनके स्टॉल पर विजिट करें तो आपको पता चलेगा कि किस तरह इन्होंने 100 साल पुराने फोटोज को वीडियो की शक्ल दी है. The next collaborator is Bunyad Academy. I request the representative of Bunyad Academy to come on stage. Mufti Ashfaq Sahab to present the memento of honor to the representative of Bunyad Academy. Thank Bunyad Academy, the foundation, for their contribution and their support in Aurangabad Education Expo 2024. We thank Global Medical and Educational Foundation for their support and contribution to Aurangabad Education Expo 2024. Next, I would like to call Al Khidma Group, representative of Al Khidma Group, to come on stage and to receive the memento of honor. Waliullah Sahab, I request Waliullah Sahab to come on stage and receive the memento of honor. And I request Hafiz Suleiman Shahin to present a memento of honor to Waliullah Sahab, who belongs to Al Khidma Group. We thank Al Khidma Group for their contribution in making this event successful. We thank Honest Hajj Umrah Services. And next we have Tahaffuz-e-Deen Media. Khazi Ziaur Rahman Sahab. I request Khazi Ziaur Rahman Sahab to come on stage. I request Mufti Ashfaq Sahab to present a memento of honor. Tahaffuz-e-Deen Media is being honored by Mufti Sahab for their contribution in this Education Expo 2024. I request Irfan Malik Saab, the founder of Malik Ambar Education and Welfare Society, Ambar Hill, Jatwala Road. Please clap for this gentleman who has been doing a great job in society, and he is one of the contributor. And I request Ilyas Falai Sahab to present the memento of honor to Irfan Malik. Now we have some members from police department also. So I request Chandrakant Sanab Sahab and I request Basi Siddiqui Sahab to felicitate Chandrakant Sanab Sahab, the police department, especially Begumpura division, and Mr. Chandrakant Sanab. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर, आपका सपोर्ट हमें रहा. इसी के साथ मैं स्पेशल ब्रांच हेडक्वार्टर औरंगाबाद के पीएसआई सैयद रियाजुद्दीन साहब को यहां बुलाना चाहूंगा. एंड आई रिक्वेस्ट बासी सिद्दीकी साहब टू प्रेजेंट द मेमेंटो एंड फेलिसिटेट सैयद रियाजुद्दीन साहब. Please put your hands together. These are all the people from police department. With the help of their support, it was possible for us to maintain the discipline, especially outside the campus. So we thank police department for their support, for maintaining the discipline around the campus, around this Education Expo. And a memento to Sayyid Riyazuddin, PSI, Special Branch, Aurangabad Headquarter. I request team IRC and Shabir Sahab to come on stage. ये पिछले 8 दिनों से विजिटर्स को ये बताने में अपनी पूरी सलाहियतें लगा रहे थे कि क्या रिलेशन है कुरान और मॉडर्न साइंस का. साइंस ने जो इजादात आज हमको बताई है, कुरान 1400 साल पहले बता चुका है. यही मैसेज आवाम में पहुंचाने के लिए IRC की ये टीम पिछले 8 दिन से खड़ी है और हर आने जाने वाले विजिटर को पूरी ईमानदारी के साथ कुरान की वो वर्सेस, कुरान की वो आयतें बताने में मसरूफ थे कि जहां पर आज साइंस उसको इन्वेंशन कहता है, कुरान 1400 साल पहले बता चुका है. तो हम बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं IRC टीम का. And Advocate Faiz Sayyed Sahab is also there. We thank Advocate Faiz Sayyed Sahab, Shabir Sahab and their whole team for being the part of Education Expo 2024 and organizing that exhibition and Quran Science models. And I request Mustafa Farooqi Sahab to present the memento to the team IRC. So there are many names of activity partners, those who were partner in activities. I'll call the names. I request all the members to come on stage one by one. I request Vikhar from Graphicon Design Studio. I request Vikhar. I request Tala Siddiqui. Tala Siddiqui, if he is there. Tala Siddiqui, come on stage and receive the memento. So whatever posters, designs you see around us, in Education Expo, around Education Expo, in the city, so all the designs are made by Graphicon Design Studio. I request Ziauddin Siddiqui Sahab to present the memento. One more, Ziauddin Siddiqui Sahab, please stay there. I request Tala Siddiqui to receive one more memento on behalf of Bilim Technologies. Bilim Technology, IT, website designing and all kinds of IT services, online services, web services, Bilim Technologies. Next, I request Nauman Saudagar sir of Zinfotech Technologies Private Limited, one of the activity partner, and I request Haji Rafiq sir. Haji Rafiq sir, I request you to present the memento to Nauman Saudagar sir, Zinfotech Technologies Private Limited. And Haji Rafiq sir is presenting the memento to Nauman Saudagar sir. The next memento is being presented to one of our associate, LRG International Private Limited, Hajj Umrah World Tour and Services. Mustafa Farooqi sir to present the memento of honor. So Haji Rafiq sir of LRG International Private Limited. Next activity partner is Social 7 Foundation, and I request Afroz Khan Sahab to receive a memento, and I request Dr. Mazhar Farooqi sir to present the memento to Afroz Khan of Social 7 Foundation. Next, Ahmed Al Shahab. I request Ahmed Al Shahab of Dual Cisco Research and Development. I request Ahmed Al Shahab of Dual Cisco Research and Development to come on stage. Tala Siddiqui, please come on stage to receive the memento on behalf of Dual Cisco Research and Development. I request Akbar sir to present the memento to Dual Cisco Research and Technologies and Development. Sayyid Mustaqim, who was the host last year in this Education Expo. So I request Sayyid Mustaqim and the team Key Life Skills, please come on stage. And I request Ziauddin Siddiqui Sahab to present the memento to team Key Life Skills. Team Key Life Skill. I would like to give a little introduction of Key Life Skill. Key Life Skill Training and Placement Institute deals in communication, mind programming, interview preparation, and this team is active in many events. Along with Education Expo, Team Key Life Skill is engaged in many social and commercial events. So all the members of Key Life Skills are on the stage. Sujauddin Salim Saab, I request you to come on stage and receive the memento of honor for your contribution and support to Education Expo 2024. And I request Mustafa Farooqi sir to present the memento to Mustafa Salim Sahab of Honest International Hajj Umrah Services. I request Mufti Anis Sahab to present the memento to SIO. SIO and its team contributed in this Education Expo 2024. We appreciate their efforts and we encourage whatever they have contributed. The team was always there around us. So thank you so much, SIO. And in media partners, we have many names. I would like to call their names and I request them to come on stage. Urdu Daily, Aurangabad Times, Aurangabad. I request Mr. Shoaib Khusro, Editor-in-Chief, or any representative of Aurangabad Times Daily. If anyone is available here, we request you to come on stage. So we thank Aurangabad Times, Urdu Daily for their support and contribution for this Education Expo. Next, Shamay Rehbar, Mr. Zamir Khadri. If Zamir Khadri Sahab is available, we thank and we appreciate your support to Education Expo. Shamay Rehbar, Aurangabad. Mr. Irbaz Ansari, if Mr. Irbaz Ansari is there, Irbaz Ansari of Urdu Daily, Hindustan. Mr. Sharik Naqshbandi, if Mr. Sharik Naqshbandi is available here from Urdu Daily, Asia Express, Aurangabad. So we request Mustafa Farooqi sir to come front, and I request Basit Siddiqui Sahab to felicitate Mustafa Farooqi Sahab on behalf of Asia Express, Urdu Daily, Aurangabad. We thank and appreciate for their contribution and support for this event. Abdul Wahid Farooqi Sahab, अगर Abdul Wahid Farooqi Sahab, Urdu Weekly, Wahid Kalam. Abdul Wahid Farooqi Sahab और सलीम साहब, उर्दू वीकली वाहिद कलाम औरंगाबाद. इनका बहुत ही अच्छा कवरेज रहा है माशाल्लाह. बहुत ही कंटिन्यूअसली औरंगाबाद एजुकेशन एक्सपो 2024 को इन्होंने कवरेज दिया. फोटोज और आर्टिकल्स मुसलसल तौर से ये छापते रहे. आई रिक्वेस्ट बासित सिद्दीकी साहब to felicitate the representative of Wahid Kalam, Abdul Wahid साहब और सलीम साहब. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपके कवरेज का. आपके कवरेज से एजुकेशन एक्सपो को बहुत फायदा पहुंचा. I request Safar Khan साहब and I request Imran बाशवान साहब. ये रोजनामा आज की आवाज के एडिटर है. मैं सफर खान साहब से दरख्वास्त करूंगा कि वो इमरान बाशवान साहब को फेलिसिटेट करे. एडिटर, रोजनामा आज की आवाज, औरंगाबाद. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट डॉक्टर रफीउद्दीन नासिर साहब, चेयरमैन, वाइस चेयरमैन, मिस्टर सरताज शाकिर साहब, एग्जीक्यूटिव मेंबर्स, मिसेस ख्वाजा कौसर हयात मैम, मिस्टर अहमद अल शहाब साहब, डॉक्टर इमरान अहमद खान साहब, मिस्टर जमील अहमद खान साहब, डॉक्टर यासिर सिद्दीकी साहब, मिस्टर सरताज शाकिर साहब, मिस्टर अब्दुल समद खान साहब, मिसेस खान सरवत अंजुम साहिबा, मिस्टर इरफान खान सौदागर साहब, and Mr. Safar Khan Sahab. I request all the executive members, chairmen and vice chairmen of Maharashtra Science Fair Academy to come on stage. साइंस फेयर कमेटी के मेंबरान से दरख्वास्त करूंगा कि वो इन बच्चों को अपने हाथों से प्राइजेस डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करे. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू कॉल द नेम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, दोज who get the prizes. So first I will call the category of project consolidation prizes. We have two categories: Project Consolidation Prizes and Science Fair Awards. So first we'll start with Project Consolidation Prizes. And the first name in this category of Project Consolidation Prizes is for Best Poster Presentation, Sarosh Urdu School. Please clap for Sarosh Urdu School, and I request the team members of that science project of Sarosh Urdu School for their best poster presentation, and the team will get 1000 cash prize, memento and certificates. Please clap for them, please. I request Samad Saab, Dr. Nasir Saab to present the cash prize 1000 rupees and memento and certificate. All the team members please join. The next is best oral presentation, and the prize goes to Al Irfan Secondary and Senior Secondary School. I request the group member of Al Irfan Secondary and Senior Secondary School to come on stage and receive 1000 cash prize, memento and certificate. I request committee members to present the memento certificate to the team member of Al Irfan Secondary and Senior Secondary School. Next, best data collection, and the best data collection award goes to Burhani National High School. I request the team members of Burhani National High School to come on stage and receive best data collection in the category of Project Consolidation Prizes. I request Dr. Abrar Saab to come on stage and to receive the prize on behalf of Burhani National High School. Some students can also join. Dr. So the prize of rupees 1000 memento and certificates are given to Burhani National High School for best data collection. I request the kids, those who are part of this group, जो बच्चे इस प्रोजेक्ट के हिस्सा थे, मैं उनसे दरख्वास्त करूंगा स्टेज पे आ जाए. The best methodology in Project Consolidation Prize category goes to Roots and Wings Academy English School. I request Tawhid Khan and the students of Roots and Wings Academy, those who were the part of this project, and receive the cash prize of 1000 rupees, memento and certificate. Please put your hands together. Please clap for the student. All these students, they made the science project, and for that one project they spent months. कई महीनों की मेहनत का नतीजा है कि उन्होंने रिसर्च करके कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स तैयार किया है. So Roots and Wings Academy gets best methodology prize in the category of Project Consolidation Prizes. They get 1000 rupees cash, memento and certificate. And I request the Science Fair Committee to present the memento, cash prize and certificate to the team. Yes, please clap for the team. The best experiment category and Alia Urdu High School. I request the team of Alia Urdu High School, their students, teachers and their representative to come on stage to receive 1000 rupees cash, memento and certificate. The next category is Best Innovativeness, and in this category Roots and Wings Academy, project number 31. Project number 31 gets the prize in the category of Best Innovativeness. Roots and Wings Academy, project number 31 gets the cash of rupees 1000, memento and certificate. So I request the boys, the students of Roots and Wings Academy, please come on the stage and receive your prize in the category of Best Innovativeness, project number 31. Please stay there. Roots and Wings Academy, please stay there. Please stay there, because the next award is also in your bag. So please clap for them. Roots and Wings Academy wins Another prize in the category of Best Originality, project number 43. Project number 43, Roots and Wings Academy wins the prize in the category of Best Originality. And the team gets cash, 1,000 rupees, memento and certificate. Please clap yourself also. Please clap for them. In project consolidation prize category, we have the last name for best hypothesis. Best hypothesis, and the prize goes to Foster English School, project number 17. Yes, please come on stage. Foster English School students and the teachers are requested to come on stage and receive the prize of rupees 1,000, memento and certificate. Now we'll go to the main category, the Science Fair Award 2024. And here we have three awards for three different schools. We have 3 awards for 3 different schools. And the third prize in the main category, Science Fair Award 2024. The Science Fair Award 2024, and the third prize goes to Burhani National Urdu Primary School. And the topic was evaluation of calcium tablets made from egg shells as a natural supplement. And the team gets the prize of 5,000 rupees, 5,000 cash prize, memento and certificate. And we congratulate students, the teachers and their mentors. Wahab sir. Congratulations Wahab sir, Dr. Abrar sir and whole team. Now we'll go to the next, second position. Second position in the main category of Science Fair Award 2024 goes to Foster English School. Congratulations Foster English School, the students, teacher, principal and all the team members of Foster English School, those who put efforts to make this science project and winning the prize. I request Science Fair Committee to present the memento and certificate to Foster English School students and their teachers. Congratulations once again. Team, the winner of this year's Science Fair Award 2024, for the first position, the winner is Roots and Wings Academy. Roots and Wings Academy. I request all the students, teachers, the principals to come on stage to receive the first prize of Science Fair Award 2024. The topic was formulation of moringa leaf extract as a natural mosquito repelling atomizer for long-lasting protection against mosquito-borne disease. It was really a great invention these students made. They made natural mosquito repelling atomizer. ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम थिंक टैंक एसोसिएशन बेंगलुरु के सदर के हाथों नेशनल अवार्ड, बेस्ट टीचर का अवार्ड इनको दिया गया. इसी तरह 5 जनवरी 2025 को पटना में उर्दू अकेडमी बिहार की जानिब से नेशनल लेवल का बेस्ट टीचर अवार्ड से भी इरशाद सर को नवाजा जाने वाला है. माइंड्स इन मोशन फाउंडेशन के ये एग्जीक्यूटिव मेंबर है. हम पूरे एजुकेशन एक्सपो की कमेटी की तरफ से इरशाद सर को मुबारकबाद देते हैं. Now there is a special felicitation and appreciation to the team of Supreme Global School. I request the members of Supreme Global School, इन्होंने रिसर्च जो भी रिसर्च किया है उस पे एक किताब इन्होंने शाये की है, तो यहाँ पर उस किताब का इजरा होगा, बुक लॉन्च होगी. तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा सभी मेंबरान से कि वो स्टेज पर आए.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A very warm evening to one and all present here. First of all, I would like to extend my gratitude towards the management and organizing members of Science Fair who has given us this wonderful opportunity to present and showcase the talent of our younger researcher. ये एक किताब का इनॉग्रेशन है जो साइंस फेयर में प्रेजेंट किया गया। हाइपरटेंशन से रिलेटेड स्टूडेंट ने एक हर्बल मेडिसिन इन्वेंट किया। तो वो स्टूडेंट का नाम शेख नोमान आरिफ, स्टूडेंट ऑफ 9th स्टैंडर्ड फ्रॉम सुप्रीम ग्लोबल स्कूल। रिसर्च के दौरान जो कंटेंट जमा किया गया उसको एक किताबी शक्ल दी गई और आज से इंशाल्लाह ये जो किताब है ये फार्मेसी और मेडिकल कॉलेजेस में एज ए रेफरेंस बुक इंशाल्लाह यूज़ होगी।
Now we are at the end, and in the end we are going to felicitate administrative committee members, all the members, those who were behind this expo. Continuously उनकी मेहनतें रही है, तो मैं एक के बाद एक एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव मेंबर्स का नाम लूंगा और उनको यहाँ पर मेमेंटो दिया जाएगा। सबसे पहले मैं आवाज दूंगा फैजा नाज। फैजा नाज, प्लीज आगे आइए आप। नाइदा मैम, I request you to present the mementos to our team members, administration team members जो लगातार पर्दे के पीछे से इस एजुकेशन एक्सपो की कारकर्दगी को कामयाब बनाने में अपनी पूरी मेहनत लगाए हुए थे। फैजा नाज। इसके बाद मैं आवाज दूंगा मिसबा अंजुम। मिसबा अंजुम, नाहिद मैम से मैं दरख्वास्त करूंगा कि वो मिसबा अंजुम को भी मेमेंटो देकर उनकी हिम्मत अफजाई करे। मिसबा अंजुम। मिसबा अंजुम को मेमेंटो दिया जा रहा है। नेक्स्ट वी हैव तुबा तबस्सुम। तुबा तबस्सुम, I request you come front to receive the memento, and I request Nahid ma'am to present memento to Tuba Tabassum. Next is Sabah Anjum. I request Sabah Anjum to come on stage and receive the memento of appreciation for your services and contribution. I request Amra Saudagar to come on stage and receive the memento of appreciation for your support and contribution. Next is Danish Siddiqui. I request Danish Siddiqui to come on stage and receive the memento for constant support and contribution. Next, I request Tabish Siddiqui to receive memento. Next is Tabriz Siddiqui. Next is Sayyid Vikhar. I request Sayyid Vikhar to come on stage and receive the memento. Sheikh Abrar to come on stage and receive the memento. We appreciate the administration members for their support and contribution. Next, Ibadullah Khan. Ibadullah Khan receive the memento for his contribution. I request Saad Feroz Khan. We appreciate Saad Feroz Khan for his contribution and support. Next, we have Muhammad Azharuddin Farooqi. And last but not the least, Muqaddasa Arifuddin. Please put your hands together for Muqaddasa Arifuddin. The lady, the iron lady, was always there behind the curtain, managing everything. So we appreciate Muqaddasa Arifuddin for her support, contribution to make this event successful. Congratulations all the administration members, and at the last, thank you so much everyone for bearing me. This is Parvez Khan, sign off. Thank you so much. I request Irfan Saudagar sir to come on mic and complete the process.
शेख इकराम जिन्होंने हमारे इलेक्ट्रिकल डिपार्टमेंट को संभाला, मैं इंतज़ामिया से दरख्वास्त करूंगा कि उनका भी इस्तकबाल करें। शेख इकराम कि अक्सा हरीम और इफ्रा दोनों हमारे एक्सपो 2024 के ये जर्नलिस्ट थे। इन्होंने भी अपने जौहर दिखाए, रोज़ रिपोर्टिंग की और इन्होंने भी तजुर्बा हासिल किया। मैं दरख्वास्त करता हूँ मुश्तबा फारूक साहब से, एक मीडिया हाउस के ऑनर से, कि इन नौनिहालों को, बच्चियों का आप इस्तकबाल करें और उनका हौसला बढ़ाएं। बेहतरीन जर्नलिज्म किया। अक्सा हरीम, मास्टर इन जर्नलिज्म फ्रॉम MGM कॉलेज। MGM कॉलेज ऑफ जर्नलिज्म मास्टर्स किया है, और हम दुआ करते हैं कि अल्लाह ताला उनको मज़ीद तरक्की अता फरमाए। इकराम ने इलेक्ट्रिकल डिपार्टमेंट बड़ी उम्दगी के साथ संभाला। हमारे साथ नाहिद मैडम शुरू से जुड़ी रहीं और हमेशा जहाँ जहाँ हमारे को उनकी ज़रूरत पड़ी वो हमारे साथ अपनी मसरूफियत में से टाइम निकाल कर उन्होंने यहाँ पर हमारा साथ दिया। हम आज खुसूसी इस्तकबाल उनका करना चाहते हैं और ये आखिरी इस्तकबाल और आखिरी मोमेंटो और गुल बुके देना चाह रहे हैं। अकबर सर से मैं दरख्वास्त करता हूँ कि वो नाहिद मैडम का इस्तकबाल करें। शेड्यूल से ज़्यादा प्रोग्राम चला है, लिहाजा मैं मुख्तसरहनी इजहार तशक्कुर पेश करने की कोशिश करूँगा। सफ़ा बैतुल माल के शाहिद, अजमत और इसरार आकर फ़ौरन मेहमानान से मुश्तबा फारूक साहब से अपने सर्टिफिकेट लें।
इन्होंने जो तो चोर पकड़े, पैसे वापस दिलाए लोगों को,
नहीं मालूम क्या।
अजमत और शाहिद का कारनामा यह है कि इस एक्सपो में उन्होंने चोर को पकड़ा, उसके पास का सामान जब्त किया और हकदार को उसका हक वापस दिलाया। ये भी एक नया काम एक्सपो में हुआ है। मैं मुंतज़िमीन से दरख्वास्त करता हूँ कि आफ्ताब फिल्म का बुके देकर इस्तकबाल करें और एक सर्टिफिकेट देकर इस्तकबाल करें। खालिद भाई जो हमारे घर के फ़र्द है लेकिन घर वालों को नहीं भूला जाता, इसलिए हम भी उनका इस्तकबाल करना चाहते हैं। खालिद, आफ्ताब फिल्म्स, उनके तमाम कैमरामैन की टीम्स बड़े खुलूस के साथ, बड़ी अपनाइयत के साथ हमारे इस पूरे इवेंट को उन्होंने अपने कैमरों में कैद किया, तस्वीर कशी की। हम उनके मशकूर और ममनून हैं। शुक्रिया, जज़ाकुमुल्लाह खैर। सबसे पहले मैं अल्लाह रब्बुल इज़्ज़त का मशकूर हूँ, उसके बारगाह में शुक्र अदा करता हूँ तमाम की जानिब से कि उसने एक अच्छी बेहतरीन एक्टिविटी करने की हमें तौफीक अता फरमाई। साथ ही साथ जो जो स्पॉन्सर्स थे, नाम बनाम लेकर मैं वक्त ज़ाय नहीं करना चाहता हूँ। जो पूरे 8 दिन के मेहमानान थे, इंटरनेशनल थे, नेशनल थे, लोकल थे, सब ने अपने जौहर दिखलाए और पूरे शहर में ही नहीं बल्कि पूरे मराठवाड़ा में और पूरे महाराष्ट्र में इस एक्सपो का डंका बजा। मैं उन तमाम की खिदमत में माइंड्स एंड मोशन की जानिब से, एजुकेशन एक्सपो की टीम की जानिब से, उनकी तमाम झैली तंजीमों की जानिब से तहे दिल से इस्तकबाल करता हूँ, शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। दिल के निहा खानों से आप तमाम का इस्तकबाल। साथ ही साथ बहुत सारे NGOs ने हमारा साथ दिया, SIO, सफ़ा बैतुल माल और न जाने कौन कौन है, अभी फ़िलहाल नाम लेना मुश्किल है, जिन्होंने बेलौस खिदमत हमारे साथ अंजाम दी। मैं उन तमाम का भी शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। स्कूल्स का अदा करता हूँ, उन प्रिंसिपल्स का अदा करता हूँ, पेरेंट्स का अदा करता हूँ, मीडिया के हाउसेस का अदा करता हूँ, साइंस फेयर की टीम का अदा करता हूँ, स्टोरी टेलिंग की टीम का अदा करता हूँ और जो जो इवेंट्स हुए तमाम हमारे एग्जिबिटर्स और जिन जिन लोगों ने यहाँ अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स लाए, अपने दुकानें लगाई, उन तमाम का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। और आप लोगों से ये दरख्वास्त करता हूँ कि हमारे लिए दुआ कीजिए और हमसे कोई गलती हुई तो उसे बच्चे समझकर दरगुजर कर दीजिए। जज़ाकुमुल्लाह खैर, शुक्रन कसीरन कसीरन कसीरा।
ये सफा बैतुल माल की टीम के